Just look at my insane Phantom wallet. I made all this money in the past 4 months, all by launching my own meme coins. So make sure to stick to the end of the video because I will be showing you exactly step by step on how I do it. I used to spend hours on hours every single day in the trenches trading meme coins, but every single time I put my money inside a coin, for some reason it just constantly gets rug pulled. Now, this goes for every single coin on the blockchain. Every single meme coin is eventually going to get rug pulled. It's just the name of the game. Now, the reality that no one is telling you about is that the people who are actually making the most money with meme coins are the people who are launching the coins and then removing the liquidity, because these people have nothing to lose. All they do is they launch the meme coin and then they pump up the price and remove the liquidity out of the coin, and they walk away with thousands of dollars on every single launch. And this is exactly why I switched to this new strategy, because now I'm making thousands of dollars every single day, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But obviously this video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any actions taken by the viewer after watching this video, and yeah. But yeah, now it's time for the fun part of today's video. So to launch your coin, you want to come to launchtokens.fun. And here on this exact website, you will be able to create and launch your own coin with no coding required on the Raydium DEX. So the Raydium DEX is 100 times better than Pump.fun, because nowadays Pump.fun is too saturated, too many coins are being created every single minute, and the market caps are not even high enough. And I can even prove that to y'all if you do not believe me. If I go to my Photon trending and I go on the Pump.fun DEX, I have no filters, as you can see. Just look at the horrible market caps: 10k, 11k, 18k, 5k, 30k, 12k. That's really bad. But if we go on the Raydium DEX, yeah, the market caps are absolutely insane. 15 million, 10 million, 7 million, 12 million, 8 million, 40,000, fucking 20,000, okay? The point I'm trying to prove to y'all is that you have to be making coins on launchtokens.fun if you want to make the most money out of this, okay? So you have two different options into making your own coin, okay? You could either create it manually here, so token name, Trump, for example, token symbol, I would put like Elon Musk, then I would put an image, and then you can make it manually. Or if a meme dropped or something big happened in the world, you can make a coin and then make thousands. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money with no marketing required, you can actually come to the copy coins feature right here, and you can duplicate coins that are already trending on Pump.fun. So all the coins that pop up right here, they all have a good narrative. They're all proven to get you some buyers. As you can see, last buy 3 seconds ago, last buy 3 seconds ago. So all these meme coins have already proven to work on Pump.fun. So it's almost guaranteed they'll perform well on the Raydium DEX too, especially since they're already about to migrate. So I'm going to create a coin to prove that this shit actually can make you some money. So I'm simply going to be lazy and duplicate the Zendial coin. It has for a $35,000 market cap and is king of the hill. So I'm going to create coin. Then go inside your Phantom. A warning will pop up. This is completely normal. Just proceed anyway. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. And then your coin will be created shortly. Well, the token address. Boom, it popped up. Now click on create liquidity pool because you want to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Here select your coin. Here select your Solana balance. Diamant token A right here. Click on max to put a billion coins in the pool. And Diamant token B is the amount of liquidity that you're buying in worth your own money. You will be the first buyer inside your coin, so this is a no loss initial, okay? So I like to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll put 0.5. Disclaimer, once you remove the liquidity, the money will come back inside your wallet. Now click on create pool. Then do confirm. Then click on refresh. Oh my, wait, okay, I think the site is bugged. Yeah, just ignore this. Now click on view on Photon And now our coin is live. Okay, as you can see, let me go on a lower time frame. It pumped up and now it's dipping a bit. Now let me go see the buyers. Okay, a $40 buy, 50. Some of these are actually bot buys, but just ignore them. They're actually good for the volume of your coin because it'll attract more real buyers. Okay, now it's pumping a bit up. Now, I don't know why, but yeah, it's bugged. Just ignore it. Okay, now it's pumping a lot. Come on. Pump. Oh my god, it's pumping. Oh my god, let's go. It's fucking pumping. Let's fucking go. Okay. This is a really good sign. Let's go. Oh my god, yo. This coin is moving. The coin is moving so fucking much. Yo, this coin is moving, bro. Let's fucking go. Now, okay, if it comes back here, I am gonna remove the equity. Fuck this shit, man. Oh, okay, it came back. Oh my god, it's pumping. Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to launchTokens.fun. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove the liquidity. Okay, just ignore the numbers. I think it's bugged. Now, confirm. Come on, what? What happened? And boom! We just remove the complete liquidity out of the coin. And that's exactly how you print money out of thin air with meme coins. Obviously, just ignore the numbers right here. They're all bugged. But if I open my Phantom wallet, $500 is inside my wallet. I made a $400 profit off this one single launch, bro. You can make so much money. LaunchTokens.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. This is the only official website to launch your own coins. Now, if you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.